Hey everyone, imagine highways flowing smoothly like a river with cars moving together perfectly. That's the idea behind vehicle platooning, a cool new technology that could change how we travel. Platooning is like a convoy of cars driving close together, almost like one big vehicle having same velocity. This organized movement, inspired by how birds fly in flocks, promises safer, greener, and smoother road trips. But platooning isn't just a dream for the future, it's being tested right now around the world. Companies are figuring out how it can change trucking, and scientists are making the technology even better. So let's dive into this amazing world of vehicle platooning and see how it might change transportation forever. Nature shows us how cool synchronized movement can be. Think about birds flying in a V-shape, or a school of fish swimming together. These animals work together to achieve a common objective. Birds flying in a V use less energy because they're blocking the wind for each other. Fish in a school can confuse predators and find food more easily. These examples show how working together can be really helpful, and that's what vehicle platooning is all about. Our roads, especially in busy cities, have a lot of problems. Traffic jams, accidents, and pollution are things we see all the time. Traffic wastes our time, uses more gas, and makes the air dirty. Plus, people make mistakes while driving, and that causes lots of accidents. We really need safer, cleaner, and smoother ways to travel. That's why vehicle platooning is so important. It can help fix these big problems. So, what is platooning? It's a string of vehicles driving with a desired intervehicular distance while communicating with each other to travel at common desired speed. They use special sensors, wireless signals, and control algorithms to move as one unit. The car in front is the leader, and all the other cars follow it exactly. This makes things safer because there's less chance of someone crashing into the car in front. It also improves fuel efficiency by reducing aerodynamic drag, as the leading vehicles shield those behind from air resistance. And because the traffic flows better, it reduces road congestion too. Formation of platoon uses some pretty clever technology. Think of it like four main parts working together, also known as four main components of platooning. First, each car, also known as node of a platoon, should be closely modeled. Second, the communication part. Each car needs to talk to each other and share information like their position, speed, acceleration, and any uncertainty. Third, the formation geometry, which means the cars need to be arranged in the best way possible for safety. Finally, the control systems, which is there's a computer system that controls everything, making sure the platoon stays safe and stable. How do we know if platooning is working well? Scientists use special tests. One test checks if the control system of each vehicle remains stable and without oscillations. This is known as internal stability. Another test ensures that disturbances do not amplify as they travel down the platoon, also known as string stability. They also test how well the system handles uncertainties or unwanted disturbances like strong winds, also known as robust stability. And of course, they check how much gas the cars save. These tests help make platooning safer and better. Platooning is great, but there are still some problems to solve. One is making sure the cars can always talk to each other, even in bad weather, that is, communication is not disrupted. Another is making sure hackers can't mess with the system. And we need really good controller development which can carry platoon formation. Vehicle platooning is a brilliant idea inspired by nature. By moving together, cars can be safer, greener, and use less gas. There are still challenges, but lots of smart people are working on it. Platooning could change how we move things and people, and even how our cities work. It's an exciting time, and the future of transportation looks pretty amazing.